Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you how I meal prep. And usually when I meal prep, it gives me about 4 to 5 days of breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I know that meal prepping can seem a little bit time consuming or boring, but if you just put on like an audiobook or a TV show, it can go by really fast and it's actually not too bad. And I really love meal prepping because it keeps me accountable to eat healthy. It saves me money from going to the grocery store or restaurants, and it gives me some peace of mind not having to worry throughout the day what I'm going to cook for dinner. So if you've seen some of my videos, you know that I follow a Nutritarian diet, also known as the Eat to Live diet by Dr. Fuhrman. And at the end of the video, I will let you know how long it took me to meal prep all of this, and I will show you what I made. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, I find the thing that's going to take the longest to cook, which is split peas. I'm going to make a soup, so I'll start cooking those. And then right away, the first thing I do is wash and chop all the veggies that I will need for the week. So obviously I'm going to be making a couple salads, and I'll also chop the veggies that I will need for my soup. This is definitely the most tedious part of meal prepping, so it's good just to get it done right away. And it's also good to have a compost bin nearby to clean up your mess as you go. So as I'm dicing up the veggies, I will also make a container of chopped up veggies. I really like carrots and celery. They're just an awesome go-to snack, and you can never eat enough vegetables. So all of this chopping took me about 20 minutes, but now it's out of the way and I can get cooking. So as a Nutritarian, you know the importance of salads. You should try to eat salad every day. So I will make 2 large containers, fill them up with greens, lots of cruciferous vegetables. Those are super anti-cancerous, and the rest of the chopped veggies. Try to add in some raw onion. They're part of the G-bombs. And some beans, of course, and whatever seeds. I used pumpkin seeds today. So for any good salad dressing, you have 5 components. You have fat, flavor, sweetener, acid, and liquid. So today I chose tahini and hemp seeds for a fat. Try not to use oil, it's a completely refined food. For flavoring, I used garlic, Dijon, no salt seasoning, dill, and nutritional yeast. I used dates for a sweetener, apple cider vinegar for an acid, and almond milk for the liquid. So consuming nuts and seeds with your salad really helps with the absorption of the vegetable nutrients. A really easy breakfast to meal prep would be overnight oats. So I like to mash up a few bananas and then add in oats, chia seeds, cinnamon, and some chopped up dates and chopped up walnuts. Then a whole bunch of blueberries and almond milk. So I usually just pick a soup or stew recipe and make a huge pot of it. So I'm making the cheesy kale soup. If you want this recipe, it's from Dr. Fuhrman's 10 and 20 version 1, which is lose 10 pounds in 20 days. This is my absolute favorite soup recipe, and I've learned a ton of recipes from Dr. Fuhrman's 10 and 20s. There's essentially 60 recipes on each plan, so it's kind of like having 2 more cookbooks. This is all the food that we made today. It took an hour and 20 minutes, and that includes cleaning my kitchen. You can see it's clean. So let's have a closer look. I just wanted to mention that this is not everything that I will eat throughout these 4 or 5 days. I will also eat unlimited fruit, maybe steam some veggies, add some avocado to my salad, some bananas or whatever to my oatmeal. But this is all the food that actually requires some work. But now that it's out of the way, it feels a lot better. And you'll also notice that I didn't portion anything out. I just put it in containers and I'll scoop out as much as I want. My appetite will change depending on my physical activity that day or the day before. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!